So the Agri-Environment Climate Scheme, to give it its full name, is a scheme that provides payments to farmers, farms and estates to manage parts of their farm in an environmentally friendly way. So that might be, in the case of an arable farm, it might be managing field margins, it might be creating species-rich grassland like we have here, it might be managing hedgerows, water margins, areas for ground nesting birds, that type of thing. Well, I think if you're going to successfully implement an agri-environment climate scheme, you have to kind of be quite committed to it and take care, as ELCO have here, with the creation of the habitats. It's easy to throw in a seed mix, and these seed mixes are not cheap, but then if you don't have the follow-up management, then that's quite often a waste of money. So you need to commit to actually active management. So if farmers watching this are interested in exploring the possibilities for agri-environment schemes, they might want to consider getting a Farm Advisory Service ILMP specialist advice plan, which can look at what the potential is on their farm before they commit to that sort of scheme. And all that information is available on the Farm Advisory Service website.